Welcome back to Superstarglam. In today's video, I am bringing you a tutorial using the new Riviera eyeshadow palette. I couldn't pass it up. I definitely saw what it looked like inside, and I don't know, just something about a colorful palette that just makes me all excited and want to play with it. So I went ahead and got it, and as per usual, ABH doesn't disappoint with the quality so far, or thus far in my opinion, with the palettes that I have in my collection from ABH. Now, I hadn't purchased a few of their launches in the past just because colors were becoming a little more muted and a little more on the safe side, I guess, if you can describe it that way. So the minute that I saw that this palette came out and it was so bright and cheerful and colorful, then I was excited and wanted to pick it up and play with it. So that is what I am going to be showing you today. But before we jump into that, if you haven't yet subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that little button down below and become part of the Superstarglam Squad family. And while you're there, click the little notification bell. That way you are alerted every time I upload a video. And now if you're interested to see the tutorial using this palette, then just keep watching. So here is what the palette looks like. I love the whole like Nautica theme. This kind of feels like it's like fabric. It feels like almost like jean material. And then the inside comes with a brush. It looks like this. I'm going to prime my eyes like I normally do with the MAC paint pot in soft ochre. I'm trying something different and starting off with my brows already done. So I'm still playing with that idea. I don't know if I like it better. It's just that the only reason why I didn't like to do it, or don't really like to do it, is because there's not that much space between my hairline and the eyebrows, so it's kind of hard to get foundation in that little section without getting on the actual eyebrow or messing it up. So that's the only reason why, but I'm trying it out anyways. I think I want to do something bright, but I think I'm going to do the bright underneath the eye and just keep it neutral on the top. This is a Juvia's Place fluffy brush, like a tapered fluffy brush, and I'm going to take the shade Cabana. That looks like a really nice mustardy color shade, and I'm going to apply it in tapping motions onto the crease area. This is the color that I want to peek through and help blend out the rest of the colors. Okay, I didn't know this. This color looks matte, but it's really not matte. It has like little specks of shimmer. I think no, it's just Estate and Cabana seem to have, and Monte Carlo seem to have more of the shimmer specks, so it's not technically a full matte. Inspired New Paradise inspired mattes and metallics, from vibrant jewel tones to bright pops of color. Nope, they're calling it a matte, but I can see the shimmer on my eye. Not completely matte, and I don't know how I feel about that, but I do like the color. The next brush I'm switching over to is the Morphe E18. It's just like a small domed brush. I'm going to take the shade Palm, which is that dark brown. I'm going to apply it to the inner and the outer portion of the eye. Applying that dark brown over that previous shade, Cabana. Yes, Cabana. Still makes it look a bit shimmery. It's not like a completely matte look. So if you're going for a matte look, I would definitely suggest skipping on that shade, Cabana. Going back with that fluffy brush and just smoothing out the edges. I think I'm going to go in with the shade Yacht. Super pretty. I'm just going to apply it with my finger in the center. It feels so creamy, that shade, and no fallout. I'm gonna go back with that Morphe brush and go over the edges. I'm trying to erase that harsh line and make it blend. And just because I want it to pop in the center a little bit more, I'm going to take the shade Seaside. It has kind of like silver and violet tones. I think I'm just going to take my finger. It feels easier that way. It's okay, it didn't give me like that wow factor I was looking for, but it's okay. Again, I'm going over the edges with Cabana. I'm going to take that white shade called Cells. That one's another matte shade. I'm going to apply it right at the... Ooh, that's bright. Right at the brow bone. That's a good white. I'm going to go back with that fluffy brush just to blend out those two colors. Okay. So I'm back. And I went ahead and put on a coat of mascara and these lashes. These lashes are new. They are the Ardell Glamour 142, but they're kind of too natural looking for me, and they're tiny. I don't know how I feel about them, but anyways, we're just gonna move on. So I want to make the under eye pop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with this. This is a Jordana pencil. It's a 12-hour made to last eyeshadow pencil in 01 Eternal White. And I'm going to apply it on the waterline and also on the lash line. I'm going to take this Sigma pencil E30 and I'm just going to blend that out. I'm going to take Bahamas, Cans, and Coastline. I'm taking this, I don't know, I think this is like a concealer. Yeah, the concealer brush, Luxie 211. I'm going to take Bahamas. Ooh, it's super pigmented. I'm going to take it here to the inner. Then I'm wiping that same brush. I'm going to take Cans. I'm going to apply it to the outer. I'm wiping it down again. And I think I'm going to take that shade Monte Carlo, which is right in between those two shades. I'm just going to pop it like right in the middle to help blend those two colors. Okay, I'm going to take a Royal and Langnickel detail brush. And now I'm going to take Coastline. I'm going to use that shade to help blend out the edges. And I'm kind of bringing it up right underneath the edges, the outer corner. I'm going to take a small fluffy brush. Am I? Yeah, I'm going to take this one. This one's from Glamour Dolls. I'm going to take a state and I'm just going to tap into that color really lightly. I'm just going to use this to kind of help blend out that edge even further, just to eliminate any harsh lines. I'm going to take, what is it, Mediterranean? It's like more of a blue based shade. It has lots of shimmer. It has like purple, pink, blue, white flecks. I'm gonna pop that to the inner corner. Whoa, it's dark. Okay, I'm gonna pop some of the seaside since it's a little brighter, and I'm actually gonna even wet the brush. That silver base makes it pop a little bit more. Just to finish the eye, I'm gonna apply a coat of mascara to the lower lashes. And I'll be back once I finish up my hair and show you the final look. So this is the final look using the Abh Riviera eyeshadow palette. So I did go ahead and switch out the lashes. I just felt that the Ardell lashes weren't dramatic enough, weren't making my eyes pop like I wanted them to pop. So instead I switched them for the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes, and I think that it looks a lot better. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this look. Like I said, I wanted it to be very vibrant underneath the eyes and have that pop of color. I hope that you learned something today. And if anything else, I do want you to take one thing away, something meaningful and positive today. And that is that beauty is how you feel about yourself and not what you see in the mirror. Sometimes our superstar glam is the boost that we give ourselves and the confidence that comes with it. And with that said, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will see you next time. Bye.